Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to answer one of the most common questions in the world of cars. Diesel versus gasoline engines. Which one is really better? You've probably heard all sorts of opinions on this, but we're going to break it down with a detailed comparison so you can make an informed decision the next time you're shopping for a new car, truck, or SUV. Is diesel more fuel efficient? Does gasoline give you more power? We'll cover everything, from cost to performance, longevity, and even environmental impact. So let's dive in. First, let's start with a quick breakdown of how diesel and gasoline engines actually work. Now, at their core, both engines use internal combustion to power your car, but they operate differently. Let's start with diesel. Diesel engines work by compressing air in the cylinder to a much higher pressure than gasoline engines. This heat ignites the diesel fuel when it's injected into the chamber. The result? More energy per drop of fuel. That's why diesel engines are known for their fuel efficiency and torque. Diesel engines can give you more power at lower RPMs, making them great for towing heavy loads or driving on highways for long periods. Gasoline engines, on the other hand, use spark plugs to ignite the fuel and air mixture. While gasoline burns faster than diesel, it doesn't produce the same torque or fuel efficiency, which is why gasoline engines typically need to rev higher to deliver peak power. When it comes to fuel efficiency, diesel definitely has the upper hand. Diesel engines generally deliver 20 to 30% better fuel economy than gasoline engines, thanks to the denser energy content in diesel fuel. For example, a diesel-powered truck can go further on a tank of fuel compared to a gasoline-powered truck, making it the go-to choice for long-haul drivers or anyone who needs to travel a lot without stopping for fuel. However, diesel isn't always cheaper at the pump. Depending on your location, diesel fuel may be priced higher than gasoline, which can affect your overall savings. Let's talk performance, and this is where things get interesting. Diesel engines are torque monsters. They're great for towing heavy loads, hauling cargo, and pulling off the line with power you can feel. If you need a truck to pull a camper or a trailer, diesel's your best friend. Torque is what moves weight, and diesel engines deliver that with ease. However, when it comes to speed and acceleration, gasoline engines shine. They offer faster throttle response and high revving capabilities, which makes them perfect for sports cars and performance vehicles. Gasoline engines are often lighter and can accelerate faster, especially in smaller vehicles. Now let's talk about longevity. Diesel engines tend to last longer than gasoline engines. Thanks to their lower operating RPMs, diesel engines experience less wear and tear over time. Diesel vehicles are known to run for 300,000 miles or more, especially if they are well maintained. Gasoline engines don't have the same level of durability. While they can still last a long time with proper care, they tend to be more prone to issues like carbon buildup and valve wear over extended use. Let's address the environmental side of things. Diesel engines have a reputation for producing more NOx and particulate matter, which can lead to poor air quality and environmental damage. The emissions from diesel engines can be harmful, especially in urban areas. On the flip side, gasoline engines emit more CO2 than diesel engines, but they are generally cleaner in terms of local pollutants like NOx and particulates. Recent advancements in both diesel and gasoline technology are helping to reduce harmful emissions. However, if you're looking for the greenest option, electric vehicles or hybrids are a better choice. But when comparing diesel and gasoline, both have their trade-offs when it comes to the environment. Maintenance costs can be a huge deciding factor. Diesel engines require more frequent oil changes, and the cost of parts is typically higher than their gasoline counterparts. Diesel engines also have more complex components, like the turbocharger, which can wear out over time. On the other hand, gasoline engines have simpler designs, and while maintenance costs are generally lower, they tend to require more frequent repairs as they get older due to the higher RPMs and fuel consumption. So now that we've compared diesel and gasoline engines on performance, fuel efficiency, maintenance, and longevity, which one is better for you? Well, that depends on what you need. If you're looking for fuel economy, towing capability, and a car that can go for hundreds of thousands of miles, then a diesel engine is the way to go. But if you want something that's faster, lighter, and offers a better experience for everyday driving with lower initial costs, then gasoline might be a better fit. Ultimately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It all depends on your driving habits, needs, and preferences. So what do you think? Are you Team Diesel or Team Gasoline? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a conversation going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car comparisons and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.